So biomass is basically it's a renewable energy source that comes from any kind of burning, like the burning of wood, when you build a campfire, things like that. But another thing that burns is actually biological waste from a cow. So we're gonna walk over here. So the cows here in India are used for many different things, but not food. And so what they do is they take the waste of the cow and they make these into these cakes, these patties, along with some other things that will burn, and then they use that for fuel in their home. Well, 2/3 of the 1.3 billion people in India use biomass to cook with, to heat their homes, and all of those things. One of the problems that's causing is a pollution in their home, and it's affecting their health. So that the indoor pollution is a big problem for a lot of people. What you can see is they'll then take that and they stick it and they can dry them on the buildings here, so that they then can sell those for fuel. There's 3.8 million premature deaths a year that come from that indoor pollution, and so we're here in India and just in the rural area, and you can go down along any road here, and you're going to see those things. You're going to see the biomass. You're going to see them drying those cakes out and everything. All of this leads to a higher AQI index of the air pollution during the times whenever they're heating their homes and doing these things. So it's pretty amazing how all this is tied together into several different health problems. That is there a better way to do? Is there a better fuel source? Which is better, coal or biomass? Coal is non-renewable. Biomass is renewable. Renewable meaning that you can repeatedly, you can use it over and over. It comes from things that are renewable, either wood or from these cakes that come from the waste of cows and other animals. Which one's better? So we hear about carbon emissions of coal, and we know that coal has these carbon emissions, CO2 emissions, and what I want you to do is to diagram the carbon cycle of coal, and then draw out the carbon cycle of biomass as well. What would be the carbon output for biomass? And let's compare those two.